Hey everyone, it's Tyler from CG Forge. Today I have a really exciting announcement. For the first time in 6 years, there's going to be other people teaching at CG Forge. Up until now, everything you've seen, from the website to the quick tips, the courses, the resources, were all solely made by me. As you can imagine, it's taken an absolutely astronomical amount of work to create what is here today at CG Forge. And now, thanks to hundreds of students that have enrolled into CG Forge courses, it is now possible to support additional instructors that are here to help you learn Houdini and offer their expertise. If you visit the About page at CG Forge, you'll find Robert Moore, Environment's Technical Lead at Framestore, Jeremy Harden, founder of Dark Cosmos Creative, VFX consultant, pipeline consultant, producer, CG supervisor, Christian Gallagher, Houdini effects lead at Zoic, and Yasser Shams, pipeline TD, 3D generalist, and Houdini effects artist who has worked at DreamWorks. Over the next few months, you'll find awesome quick tips and Node Bible entries that are posted for free on YouTube. However, at the end of each week, I'm going to be taking these videos offline and offering them exclusively to CG Forge subscribers. This means that you'll want to subscribe to the CG Forge YouTube channel, make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you never miss a free episode every single week. Last but not least, thank you to everyone who has supported CG Forge over the past 6 years. Rob, Yasser, Jeremy, and Christian are all fantastic instructors, and I genuinely feel honored to be teaching with them to help you forge your world. Stay tuned because there's going to be more awesome things to come in the future. Thanks for watching and have a great day.